For the coming 24 hours, me and my friend here, we will survive the wilderness. We're gonna build a shelter, we're gonna cook meat over a fire, and we're having a great time. Pretty beautiful, you know? Yeah. So me and my friend here, Theodore, has just went into the forest and we ain't got no tent, so we'll have to build a shelter because it's going to get really windy tonight, so yeah, we have to build a proper shelter. That's some deer poop. This looks like a very nice place to set up camp. Whilst my friend here cuts up the tree, I'm going to get some firewood because it's going to get cold, so we have to make a fire. Well, the shelter is almost complete, but we have to add some spruce boughs on top of it so it blocks the wind, because it's, like I said, it's going to get really windy tonight. Snack break. I got some rusins and nuts here. Very nice energy. 10 out of 10. So the clock is now about 4 p.m. and we are officially completed with the shelter. It's a really nice shelter. It's very big, so you can sleep here and have a fire here, and it will be real nice. I think it's time to make a fire and begin to cook my dinner. Got my pan here, frying pan. I'm gonna take my butter here, put it in here and hot it up, and then I'm gonna cook my meat. I got a big burger patty. I'm just gonna slap that and lay it on the frying pan, and it will cook up and it will taste very good. I have salt and pepper. Then I will eat it. Oh, that looks perfect. Get that. That's beautiful. I have some hot salt here. Just like that. Here's the meat. It looks absolutely perfect. I got the meat here. Perfectly cooked. That tastes so good. So good. I'm gonna leave the rest of the meat here to breakfast tomorrow, so we got meat for breakfast. Now that we've got a belly full of meat, it's time to hop into our sleeping bags and get to sleep. Bra tack. Men jag har en jacka. So we're going to sleep now, and I'm gonna turn off the camera, but I will see you guys in the morning.
Let's do this.
Good morning. I didn't sleep very good last night, probably like 4 hours. But the sun is just about to rise, so we're gonna go up and watch the sunrise, and I'm gonna eat my breakfast, and then I will begin to pack up and break camp and hike back. So it actually started to rain at like 10 p.m. I think. So that was pretty awful, but you can see here my backpack is just covered in frost. It started to rain and then it started to get below freezing, so everything got wet and then everything froze. So right now everything is covered in ice, but yeah.
One week later.
You can see the steam coming off of my gloves. Very nice. Oh. All right, I think it's time to break camp. Yeah! Yes, sir.
Johnny, what you doing, Johnny?
That was a very nice shelter. I would love to come back and camp there again sometime. So we're gonna hike about 2 kilometers to our bikes.